Hey everyone, welcome back to Master and None Garage. I'm Andrew. Today it's going to be a short video. I'm going to wide body the other side of the Caprice, but I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. So here we go.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
If you haven't yet, go down in the comments, go comment something. The comments help me. It's YouTube gods, they want comments, and they won't put my video out there unless there's a lot of comments. So a lot of comments down there in the bottom. Okay, back to the video.
Come on.
Yeah.
And
Subscribe!
film it on my phone because I want to show you my setup for the camera. I forgot my tripod. I think I saw this on a survival show. It works for tripods too. Anyway, let's go back to the GoPro. That's better. Yeah, so that's my tripod setup, and that's the car finished. Well, not finished, but wider-ish. I don't know. It's wide. It matches the other side. Actually, this side right here took me considerably less time, and I had help with the other side. That's the way it goes. One side's got to figure out how to do it. The other side, you already know how to do it, so you just do it. Anyways, that's the way she looks right now. I don't have the jack up on the control arm. Maybe I should do that.
Do it!
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that's better. This side is a little bit closer, but that could be those aren't really tight. I did not bring my lug nut socket, and those are just finger tight, so this tire just might be like that. Also, it's not aired up, and needs some massaging. Probably needs some brute force massaging. And we're cutting out, I don't know if you can see it, we're cutting out this right here, so on both sides, and that should do it. And I mean, we might bring it out a little bit further on the bottom. We're definitely gonna bring this back in, because you can see the top here has plenty of clearance, and I want this to swoop into this fender and have a nice rolled edge. We're going to use the original edge, and then these are going to go swoop into that like that, and this is going to swoop into the bumper, and yeah, all that good stuff. The back and the bottom there, that's going to stay the way that it is. The bottom I'll probably box in, maybe put a slight you know, angled piece to blend into the bottom of the fender. The bottom of the fender needs to have rust repair anyways, same thing as the lower quarters. This is probably a short video, but that's it for today. We finally got the front done. Not done, but widened. And we can do the fit and finish later on once we widen the rear. Now the rear, I have some ideas on that, but that's gonna have to wait until another episode of Mastering in Garage. If you haven't liked the video, please like the video. If you haven't commented, go ahead and comment. Tell me how stupid I am, or tell me how much of a genius I am, or just say hi, like this. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And subscribe!